Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. I'm Steve White, Battalion Chief with the City of Fishers Fire Department. In this segment, we're going to discuss stabilization options for a vehicle on its top. With a vehicle on its top, usually all the posts have been compromised in a rollover accident. So as any other operation, we begin with stabilization. We're going to capture the A posts by the dash and then the C post in the back towards the trunk. In a rollover accident, the majority of the vehicles do wind up with the motor side down because the motor being the heaviest part of the vehicle. With the cribbing in place, we will then come in with the Homatro V-struts. There are various options when using a tension buttress system. Here, we're going to strut the sides of the vehicle, which will give us options if we decide to tunnel in from the rear. Many times in rollover accidents, the glass is under pressure. So once we've put the vehicle on our stabilization system, we will then remove the glass. Keep in mind the intent is to stabilize in this operation and not lift.
Breaking glass. Breaking glass. Breaking glass. Breaking glass.
With the way this vehicle was stabilized, it leaves us a lot of options for extrication and removal. We have the whole side that's wide open. We also have the back that's open. So whether we want to take from the side, remove the roof, or even tunnel in through the back, that's going to be dictated by the position of the patients. Now we're going to move on to an alternative method for this same scenario. In this scenario, we're going to place the crib towers. Because the trunk is in our way, we're going to use the Homatro cutters to remove the trunk. This will give us a good base of operations to have contact between the ground and the vehicle we're stabilizing. Notice how the rescuer is on one knee and out from underneath the load for safety. With the obstacle out of the way, contact from the ground all the way to the vehicle, so we have zero movement. Keep in mind with the crib towers, there's limited space between the two towers when it comes to a trunk tunneling evolution. Thank you for watching this segment of Fire Engineering's Training Minutes, and thank you to Homatro for sponsoring them.